My story began full-fledged just about a year ago. I live in Ohio. My sister and family are all from back east. My sister lives here in New York. She had been listening to Dr. Calapai on Saturday morning radio on her way to work. And she had originally contacted me about a year and a half ago about him for my former husband because he has severe arthritis. I let him know about it. And then when I became ill a year ago, she just kept after me and after me. Go to his website, listen to him, see him, talk to him. And of course, in between hospital visits, doctor visits, testing, no diagnosis, just go home, wait 3 months. I couldn't take it anymore. And the depression and the unknowing, and I was getting worse and worse. I lost all independence. I was not allowed to drive anymore. I was not allowed to live by myself anymore. I had to move in with my son, my grandsons, and his wife. It's a pretty devastating state of affairs at my age. I'm young. I'm not quite 66. And the thought of getting worse and worse and worse and no idea of how to treat it, nobody seemed to know. My son suggested I take a trip back east to visit my sister so he could remodel the family home to put me on a main floor, no stairs, someplace where my walker would fit through the doors. I'd have no steps to get to the patio, no steps to get to the deck. And he said, while that's going on, you can go back and visit Annie, my sister. I said, perfect. And in the meantime, I set up an appointment to see Dr. Calapai. And I get emotional when I talk about it because I had my stem cells replaced August 25th, which is just 3 weeks today. During that short time, in 3 weeks' time, I don't have tremors. I don't have falls. I don't have insomnia. I don't have, my perception, depth perception has gone back to normal. I have gone from reading magnification at 3.5 to 1.5. And if the lighting is good, I can read without reading glasses. Those are just a few of the many changes, and there's more every single day. And all I can say is he's worked a miracle for me, and I want as many people as possible to know exactly what this man has done for me. He's given me back my life, and my grandchildren are going to know what a fun grandma Mimi can be because they call me Mimi. It's incredible. And there's going to be more and more changes. More and more changes. Every month, every week. I can't imagine feeling any better. I can't wait for my son to see me. He's picking me up Sunday. He won't even recognize me. I've been gone 2 months now, and he won't recognize me. He won't say, that's not the old lady that I dropped off. She's 5'8" now. I was like closer to 5'5". I was all hunched over and I couldn't walk. I couldn't stand up straight. I couldn't walk. I couldn't have a conversation without stumbling for words, and I would use inappropriate words. For example, one day, coming from a doctor's appointment, I was hungry. I said, can we go have a bedroom sandwich? And he said, Mom, you're hungry? You want a sandwich? What do you want? I said, well, I told you, bedroom sandwich. And he said, I don't know what that is, Mom. I meant a McDonald's breakfast sandwich is what I meant. We just go through the drive-thru and grab one. It was a B word, though, so I thought I did really good. I don't know. I have a birthday coming up in a couple of weeks, and I'm going to be able to party and celebrate and look forward to the rest of my life. For sure. Guaranteed.